Hi everyone, join me today for a gentle morning practice. This practice includes 3 of my favorite Qigong exercises that I particularly like to do in the morning. Stand up straight, relax your whole body. Begin turning your body from side to side. Keep your feet firm on the ground and parallel to each other, and your knees comfortably bent, so you can turn your body comfortably, starting the movement from your legs up. Relax your neck and shoulders and let your arms naturally follow the body. Then go ahead and gently knock across the abdomen and the lower back. Stay relaxed and loose, bringing your attention to the sensations in the body. Then gently knock on the chest under the collarbone. Keep a good posture, continue twisting your body from your legs up so your lower back can stay nice and relaxed. Relax your hands and slow down. Next, we're going to do some breathing. Go ahead and take a nice full breath in. Open your chest. Exhale down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Open and expand. Breathe out and soften. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. And out. Relax your neck and shoulders and take a moment to notice how you feel. Then go ahead and take a nice full breath in through the sides. Exhale down the center. Breathe in. Breathe out. The aim here is to open the chest, creating space for the lungs. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Continue the movement, following your own breath. Relax your neck and shoulders. The first exercise is called Connect Heaven and Earth. Go ahead and gently press out towards the sky. The other hand presses down towards the ground. Release, hands meet in the middle, and press out in opposite directions. Breathe in as you come to center. Breathe out and expand. Continue the movement, following your own breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Keep your knees slightly bent every time you release, so you can engage the whole body and keep a good circulation. One more time on each side. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Let your hand relax down. Relax your neck and shoulders. The next exercise called turn and look behind. Open your hand to the side. Turn your head and look at your fingers. Come back to center. Keep your knees slightly bent. Repeat on the other side. Turn and look behind. Come back to center. Breathe in as you open your chest and stretch out. Exhale as you soften and come back. Breathe in. Breathe out. Feel free to take smaller breath to complete the set. Breathe in as you open. Breathe out as you close. Continue the movement following your own breath. One more time. Breathe in. And breathe out. Relax for a moment. The third exercise called touch the sky and press the earth. Go ahead and breathe in. Let your arms flow down the center. Breathe out. Then push forward. Open your chest to the sky. Release and bend forward. Keep your hands on your knees to lengthen through your lower back and slowly raise up, finishing at your lower abdomen. Breathe in as you go up. Breathe out and down. Breathe in as you slide to the back. Then push forward, breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out as you go forward and lengthening through the back. Breathe in to stand up and exhale as you finish the movement. Continue the movement following your own rhythm. One more time. Relax your hands by the side. We've finished today's practice with a breathing sequence. Come to a comfortable stance with your feet wider than your shoulders. Bring your hands in front of your abdomen. Breathe in and raise the hands up. Open your entire body. Exhale, bend the knees and squat down. Breathe in and repeat. Breathe out and down. The key here is to use your legs to go down. Try to keep your lower back nice and relaxed. Breathe in as we lift and expand. Breathe out as we come down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Relax for a moment, then go ahead and do the same in reverse. Breathe in, then out and down the center. Breathe in, nice full breath here. Exhale, arms flow down. Breathe in, open, expand. Breathe out, let it flow down the body. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Taking those full breaths deep into your abdomen. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe out and let your hands stop in front of your lower abdomen. Take a moment to notice any sensations inside your body. Then go ahead and place both hands on your abdomen, bringing your attention inward. Notice the space and awareness from head to toe. Then circle around and relax your hands by the side. Bring your feet together and finish your practice. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you feel nice and energized. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you soon.